Hi everyone, in today's video let us learn how to connect battery and load to UPS and test on battery mode. Objectives: at the end of this video you will be able to Number 1. Measure the total voltage of the battery stack using voltmeter. Number 2. Connect the UPS and load test the battery. Let us collect the tools and equipment required to do this practical. Trainees toolkit 1 set. Safety gloves 1 set. Voltmeter 0 to 500 volt 2 numbers. Digital multimeter with probes 1 number. UPS of 5 kV ampere with battery stack 1 set. Double-ended spanner 10 mm 1 number. 100 watt by 230 volt test lamp with holder as required. Procedure: Task 1. Measurement of the total voltage of the battery stack using voltmeter. Safety precautions: Electrical hazard: do not make contact with both of the battery terminals simultaneously, like screwdrivers or spanners. Sparking may occur during connection of battery cables, which may burn the skin seriously. Step 1. Ensure that the UPS is turned off and unplugged from the power source. Step 2. Disconnect the battery stack from the UPS and remove the cable from the battery. Step 3. Disconnect the cables connecting the battery stack to the UPS. Typically, these cables are connected to terminals on the battery and may be secured with nuts or bolts. Use spanners to loosen and remove these connections. Step 4. Prepare labels serially from 1 to n and paste them on each of the batteries. Step 5. Connect the DC voltmeter 300 volt across battery stack. Connect the positive lead of the voltmeter to the positive terminal of the battery stack. Then, connect the negative lead of the voltmeter to the negative terminal of the battery stack. Note down the voltmeter readings. Voltage across battery stack. Step 6. Note down the first label of the battery stack. Step 7. Set the multimeter for DC voltage measurement. Place the multimeter probes on the individual battery in the battery stack, like the positive terminal of the multimeter to the positive terminal of the battery terminal and the negative terminal of the multimeter to the negative terminal of the battery as shown. Step 8. Measure the voltage of the battery and note down the observed voltage. Measure the voltages of all batteries connected to the stack. Serial number 1. Label number: Battery 1. Measured voltage. Remarks: Number 2. Battery 2. Number 3. Battery 3. Number 4. Battery 4. Number 5. Battery 5. N. Battery N. Total voltage of stack. Step 9. Calculate the total voltages of the battery stack by adding each battery voltage recorded in the tabulation and ensuring that the calculated voltage is equal to the entire battery stack when measured with the voltmeter, if all the batteries are connected in series. Task 2. Connection of UPS and load testing of the battery. Safety precaution. Number 1. Before connecting the battery to the UPS, verify the electrode terminal symbol or color codes on the battery. Number 2. Ensure that the UPS is kept in switched off condition. Number 3. Connect the leads with correct polarity and tighten them. Step 1. Check the battery voltage. For 12 volt battery minimum voltage from 9.5 volt to 12 volt. Set the multimeter in DC voltage measurement with appropriate range. Connect the positive terminals of the multimeter to the positive terminal of the battery. Connect the negative terminal of the multimeter to the negative terminal of the battery as shown. Step 2. Connect the lamp load terminals to the output terminals of the UPS. Step 3. Switch on the UPS. Make sure the UPS is not connected to the input mains. Step 4. Switch on 100 watt lamp at the variable lamp load. Start the stopwatch and record the readings in the tabulation. Step 5. Keep monitoring the multimeter. On the display of the multimeter, you will see the voltage of the battery decreasing and halt the stopwatch when the lamp in the UPS glows with a beep sound, indicating the battery low. Serial number 1. Inverter status on. Battery voltage 12 volt. Connected load 100 watts. Stopwatch start timings. Stopwatch end timings. Step 6. After noting down the reading, immediately charge the battery using the battery charger unit. Step 7. After battery is charged, measure its voltage using multimeter and increase the load up to 200 watts from the variable lamp load. Start the stopwatch and monitor the display of the multimeter. Halt the stopwatch when the battery voltage is lamp in the UPS glows with a beep sound, indicating the battery is low. Serial number 1. Inverter status on. Battery voltage 12 volt. Connected load 200 watts. Stopwatch start timings. Stopwatch end timings. Step 8. Switch off the UPS. From the tabulation, you will notice that the back time of the battery is decreasing as the load on the UPS is increased. As the load increases, the runtime decreases because the battery is being discharged at a faster rate to meet the higher power demand. Recap. In this video, so far we have discussed how to measure the total voltage of the battery stack using voltmeter, connect the UPS and load test the battery. Thank you for watching.